Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this super easy and delicious homemade salted caramel sauce. This recipe is made with only 5 ingredients and comes together very quickly and is as versatile as it can get. It can be used to fill and drip onto cakes and cupcakes. It can be used to drizzle onto some ice cream or any other warm baked goods, or used to coat apples and popcorn, or even just eat in spoonfuls. So let's get started. For this recipe, I highly recommend that you have your ingredients pre-measured and ready to go because there's going to be a lot of stirring and you don't want your sugar to burn. So in a large pan or saucepan, I'm going to combine together the sugar and water, give it a slight mix, and now we're going to cook this on medium heat until the sugar caramelizes into an amber color. Make sure you stir constantly while doing this because you don't want to burn the sugar. Once the sugar looks like this, you're going to add in the butter. Be very careful as the caramel will bubble and form a lot of steam in this step. Now you want to mix this until the butter is fully incorporated into the caramel. Once that's done, now it's time to add in the heavy cream. Again, you want to be very careful while doing this step because the caramel will bubble and produce a lot of steam. If needed, you can cover your hand with an oven mitt. We're going to mix this until it is fully incorporated into the caramel. The full written recipe will be available in the description box below, so you can go check that out. Once the cream is fully incorporated, we're going to stop stirring and let this boil for a whole minute on medium-low. Now we're going to take that off the heat and add in the salt and give it a mix. At this point, the caramel will be very runny, which is totally normal. The caramel will thicken up as it cools. Let the caramel cool down slightly and then transfer it into a jar or airtight container and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. If you're going to be using this on some ice cream or any other warm baked goods, you only need to cool it slightly for about 20 minutes. If the caramel is too thick when you're going to use it, you can warm it up in the microwave to loosen it up a little bit. And that's it. Your homemade salted caramel sauce is now ready to be used on anything you like. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe and like the video if you liked it, and hit that notification bell because there are going to be a lot of fall recipes coming up very soon, so you don't want to miss a single one. Thanks for watching.